Hey, hey, hey.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited. Now gonna get to clapping. Now pop it for a player, pop it for me.
What?
Turn around and drop it for a player, drop it for me.
Good afternoon, good morning, whatever time that you get this video.
Hey y'all.
Did you hear it like that?
Hey y'all. Yeah, I have to say hey y'all. It don't even matter. What time y'all get it? Hey y'all, it's the universe. It says it all the time.
Ooh. There is a lot of cars out here. So we headed.
They stuff opening and malls and shit opening up. They about to go out here and get them some extra free Rona.
So y'all, Lisa can't go nowhere.
I can go somewhere.
We've been in the house too long.
I come out the house, but you're not looking. It's much. I feel bad because my baby can't go out and play. He want to play football with his little best friend. They ain't seen each other. I feel bad that I'm sitting up here wanting to not let him go out the house ever again and homeschool him. Like, you know. No, but I can't make no serial killer. So he
homeschooling. He homeschooling himself.
I'm just saying. I mean, like, forever shit. But then I don't want to do that to him. You know, I mean, it's cause I hear like
they just going.
But I understand. I mean, I can understand the necessity because you can't stay cooped up in the house. This is not how it is. I understand the want to do it.
Yeah.
I understand going out, like I told her. Even if we weren't going somewhere today to do something, we would still would have came out. You know what I'm saying? And we do stuff with ourselves in the car. Stop at the drive-thru, drive around. She said she ain't going to Walmart. That's cool. I want to go to Ollie's and pick up this thing. I saw this thing at Ollie's, y'all. So you know, you be outside and it be hot, and you don't want to be outside, because that's why I don't want to be outside. No. But they had this thing, this little shaped like kind of an S, and you hook it up to the hose, and it sprays a really, really fine mist to keep you cool while you're outside. I want to get that.
She want to get that.
Cause you know we finished the cause y'all saw we already did the video for the seeing us put stuff together for the outside.
Well, technically, yeah, cause we were live.
Oh yeah. So you know we some kind of way got a whole upstairs and almost downstairs.
Yeah.
Oh, and they got that's Alice's place. They got the artificial turf. I think it's like $12 or $13 for like a 12 by 12 square.
Yeah, I want to put it downstairs. We gotta look in that truck for that weed stuff, cause that stuff, right? The weeds grow crazy.
Oh, I mean, if it's not in there, I just go into Walmart and get it and walk back out.
No, I'm gonna go get a weed whacker.
No, but the weeds gonna come back. You gotta kill the roots.
Oh.
We need a weed whacker for the front.
What if we throw some bleach on it?
It'll just be bleaching the rocks and the root. They gonna come back.
Yeah,
would you stop? Bleach don't cure. First of all, bleach don't cure everything.
Yeah, do it kill the ants?
Well, ants are not cockroaches. A lot of things can kill ants. Don't know them to kill that other stuff. Throwing bleach outside. What's wrong with you? What's wrong? You want to try to kill the squirrels and the chipmunks?
I don't know, but
squirrel serial killer. Planning a mass squirrel destruction. Bleach.
Anyway, y'all. There's a lot of people out here. They are out here. When I say out here, out here.
But I wonder where they going.
I know. Like she by herself.
You want to stop it? No.
Dunkin' Donuts. Yeah. You think I ain't?
Yeah.
It's like 12:41. We ain't eat nothing. Nah. What's that sign? They got a digital sign now.
Yeah. It's raggedy.
Oh, it's for the car wash.
What?
Oh my gosh, y'all.
Is Burlington open? Burlington is open.
Look at them.
I'm about to go on Burlington. 50% off. We better go on Burlington.
They trying to, cause they got all that stuff they ain't sell.
No, we should go on Burlington.
No, we're not. Maybe on the way back.
We'll do it on the way back.
Thank you. Look at all them people. They was like, we need some clothes.
We need to go in there. How much should I give them?
That's all of us going this way. I guess so.
It's only 2 cars. It's just on.
These cars right here too.
It's 2 cars, right?
1, 2. Then them up there. Everybody want Dunkin' Donuts.
This motherfucker's hanging out his truck like he what?
He ordering a whole.
Hold on, y'all. Flip it.
I don't know if they can see.
I don't know. Can y'all see old boy over there ordering? Can you make it? Can you pull it in a little bit? He is hanging out the window like, hold on, I wish I could see.
Where you going? That's Brittany. I'm gonna bust Brittany up. You see?
Pull up on Brittany. Pull up on.
Hold up. Look at Brittany, y'all.
Show what happened when you try to break in.
No, I'm gonna get
Pull up on her.
I gotta get this back.
You ain't have to do it. You was fine.
You see what she did? She just threw her car in front of us. We about to play she threw her people gonna think we not family. What's this?
Is he still hanging out? There's a dude. Y'all hear how long? We're not answering that.
People probably think we not. What you doing?
We're at the Starbucks.
You're right.
That line was longer, so I'm here first.
You better back your car and get behind me.
No, you held our line. We appreciate it.
Watch what I do. Hold on. She can't block the thing. I'ma block it though.
He need to pull up.
I'ma block it though, y'all.
He need to pull his. Why won't he pull his car up?
I don't know, but I'ma block it.
How you gonna block it?
Watch. I couldn't even get over there because we were messing around with the stuff.
Don't put it on we. You ain't nobody driving but you. Talking about we couldn't get over there. I couldn't get over there because we. You ain't doing nothing. You could have drove. It was a car coming.
Alright guys, Party City open.
It's everything open. Everything that's in the stands open.
What's up, Bomb Squad?
Hey y'all.
We actually, dang, you got the poster board turned over. We about to do a, my little cousin, she didn't know, they surprised her with doing a graduation honk your horn drive-by. So we got balloons and we did a poster board. I was thinking somebody named Lisa would turn it over, but it's kind of awkward because it's not a how you call it, board? It's a cardboard poster board. Alright, so this is what we did. This is the poster board. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get on top of the car sometime.
How you gonna get on top of the car?
I'm not gonna get on top, but I'm gonna sit in the window.
How you gonna sit in the window?
We'll see. So anyway, we about to go down. What was the street?
Evans Street.
No. What was that noise?
Somebody electric car over there.
Alright, y'all, about to go over there. I can't see.
You good.
Let's go.
Alright, hold on tight.
Get the sign.
I got the sign.
Get out the door. You know I gotta come right. What's up? She is a senior.
He is a graduate.
Put Put your mask on, baby.
Oh, she is a graduate.
Wake up, everybody. Give it a sign.
Hey! Oh my gosh, thank you! This is so cute.
Come get your balloons.
Oh my gosh.
Come get your balloons.
Congratulations. Thank you. It's Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much.
You're welcome.
You look so pretty. Thank you. I have not seen you guys in so long.
Oh, no, look at you. Aaron got big boy. He's a big boy now. Oh. Can I keep blowing? Can I keep blowing? They're gonna put y'all out.
Y'all horns out loud.
Huh?
Are they coming inside?
No, we just chill for a minute.
I'm like, hey, where is she at? She about to look all they little cones up. I'm like, she about to look all they little cones up.
So I'm at my cousin's. My cousin that's she graduated, so we did the drive-by Honk thing. So we gonna go here and get us some footage. Is this my parents? Nope, not them yet. Let's go over there. Let's go see my cousin. Whew. You know I gotta get you on YouTube, right?
What's up, YouTube?
So tell them what you did.
I just graduated high school, 2020 from Eleanor Roosevelt in Greenbells.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to a small HBCU in South Carolina.
Hey, you got to do the thing. Yeah, so you know I gotta get you on this. You're gonna be on the vlog for the day.
Oh yeah, y'all doing vlogs?
This is a vlog right now.
Hey.
This is a vlog. Hey, cousin, Tommy. Air hug, air hug, air hug, air hug, air hug. What's up, Aaron?
Air love, air love, air love. I give my loves.
Girl, she is graduating. Look at this one right here.
I'm always back out again.
I know, right? I miss those days. If I can start all over.
You said you missed those days.
Yeah, I want to go back and regroup everything.
You see the thing up there, right?
Huh? Yeah, I saw that.
First of all, I love this car.
Thank you. That was my 50th present to myself.
Oh, yeah.
That was 4 years ago.
Yeah.
4 years ago.
Yup.
Let me get that up there. Let me get her
I
thing.
would love a car.
Let me get that up there. See my cousin, her balloons and stuff. That's her right there. That's cute. And she got her stuff over there.
You said what? It's on the bathroom.
Let me climb up there.
Did anybody come earlier?
Yeah, two of her friends came. And they still decorating the car.
And she was surprised?
She didn't know who was. She knew some people were coming.
Uh-huh.
She didn't know how it was going.
Oh.
So she said as soon as she came down here, she saw that.
Oh.
She was like,
Okay.
oh yeah. Out in the bottom.
See, I did do y'all. That's so pretty. You got candy on the inside. Look at Lisa. Lisa done swiped her candy already.
Yeah.
Hey! Let's see. Look at my cousin. Stop that there. You know you're on the vlog. You on the vlog today.
I know. I know how you do.
We gotta do what we do.
Hey.
Look at her, she posing, y'all. What's up? What's up? What's up? They was lost.
Oh, that's what you want to go get?
They was way gone. Almost on the DC line.
You left your phone?
Oh, my wife and me.
Oh, okay.
I ain't crazy. Dad. Blow the horn.
Yeah.
Hey, Ma, you supposed to scream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Kitty. That's my dad, sister. I know, right? And hug. Stephanie, come here.
Did you come out that car?
Nah, my car.
You trying to
I had to go. They was lost.
Who was that?
I had to. That's what I was at. Luckily, I got the 360 on my phone connected to his phone.
Oh, okay. So the neighbors were nice for letting y'all have cars. Hey, cousin.
Oh, so you want to match, huh?
Dwight.
Dwight over there.
You talk to Jazzy, Mom?
Just doing it again. Hold on. We ate. Got that. Look at her. Oh, it's close up. Woo! Yeah, I gotta go to the bank, and that's it.
How long you car been sitting?
We drove. Do that thing. Yes.
Yeah. You see KOOLAID and Lisa doing challenge on your head top. Yeah, you know what's happening when you tune in. Story times, pranks, and blogging, man. We a great big family, we the bomb squad. We on that grind to a number with a K, best believe you'll stay. You can chill with the fam like most of y'all do. You see KOOLAID, Lisa, and Nick too. With Charles and Barbie living that YouTube life. We love our fans and supporters, we a family dude. So come on down to Bomb Squad Town. Have a seat watching videos. And nobody likes to hate. Keep it positive and have a nice day. Oh, I forgot. Smash that like button. Bomb squad. Bomb squad. Bomb squad. Hey.